Guys, what's going on? It's BuzzKeto here. Awkward silence. It's BuzzKeto here, and we are going to be doing another nature video. Today, we are going to look at the wild rabbit living in my backyard. Let's see. If we're lucky, we'll actually see it. If the chickens are quiet, that is. Okay, it lives right over here. Let's see. As you can see, I have been feeding it. I need to clean its water, though. Looks like it has been eating the carrots. Not sure. I think you might, as you can see, it's been eating the carrots. Its water, I need to refill that in a second when I'm done with this video. If you can see right there, there is a little tunnel. That is where it lives. Anyway, that little tunnel, I'm pretty sure leads over here. There's a small garage over there. It's pretty much abandoned. Anyway, let's see what else we can find. Let's go check out the chickens, shall we? I'll be back in just a second. Okay, guys, as you can see, the chickens think I'm gonna give them a treat, but I'm not. This one right here, it's an Americana. It lays blue and green eggs, believe it or not. I just barely touched it. Most chickens don't like being held or touched or petted. They're completely harmless. This is an Americana right here. This is a Rhode Island Red. Very, very aggressive and grumpy all the time. One time it pecked me so hard it made me bleed. Right here, there is a chicken right here in the nesting box, laying an egg. I'm not sure, there might be another one on top of it. Under it. The one that I just showed you in the nesting box is another Americana. I have seen them get on top of each other. The aggressive Rhode Island Red right there has got on top of the Americana right there. So, as you can see, it's not very nice. No. However, this Americana right here will let you pet it. Sometimes it will hop up on your shoulder, and it will let you pet it and pick it up very easily. This one is about 5 years old, still laying eggs, surprisingly. Let's see if we can find the other one. Okay, guys, I found the other one. It's literally hiding. It was right here the entire time. This one, oh no, its comb is laying down. That means it's probably sick. This one, I forgot what type it is, but it's the same age as the Americana over here. I have to clean their water as well. But let's see. I've never seen them roost on this one before. That's new. Sorry, I accidentally paused the video. Also, they like to get on top of it right here. Not sure if you can see where they're sitting or not. Let's see if we can get on top of this hay bale. And let's see. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, as you can see, they love to get on top of that. The Americana and the Araucana like to get on top of that to get away from the feisty Rhode Island Red. As you can see, it's very grumpy all the time. I'll be back with some more in just a second. Okay, guys, I see a bumblebee. Bumblebees, believe it or not, are starting to go extinct. Honeybees love this plant right here. It's freaking huge. I also have a little garden. I planted them. This catnip has started to take over. Same with the snapdragons right here, and these other flowers. I forgot what type they were called. Snail shell right here. I also have some clover, red clover. The chickens love them. Let's see. I'll be back again in just... Okay, guys. Bird's head sticking out every once in a while. It's laid eggs. I'm not sure if its babies have hatched yet or not, but that is still an active nest. Here's another nest that the birds left there and abandoned. I can see why it's not a very good spot. They also made one up on the back deck of our house. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, this is the garage that I was talking about that had the rabbit in it. You might be able to see it. Blackberries taking over. Ivy too. Anyway, that's where it lives. I've never seen it in there, but I'm pretty sure that's where it lives. I think that's where its burrow is. Maybe not, though. Also, if you have dandelion, okay, guys. What happened? the roof starts to collapse. The windows get broken. Yeah, and a lot more. I haven't traveled into that room because that's the room with the black mold. As you guys know, the black mold, if it gets in your lungs, it can kill you. Check out my other nature videos if you want to learn more about it. This right here, I have seen a black widow, or a false black widow. My memory back then is kind of fogged. Let's see. Anyway, guys.